Hello, my name is Abdiel and welcome to Monster Morgue. In today's build, we're gonna do a modification of a toy chainsaw I bought last Halloween at Walmart. I only paid $5 for it. But with this technique, you can use it in almost everything. A helmet, a sword, a gun, anything. I really hope you enjoyed this video.
So this is the chainsaw toy. I started by putting a handle on the top. It didn't have a handle, so I improvised and put it this. So I put a couple of holes and put some screws on it. Now with some chrome spray, I'm gonna give 2 coats to all the chainsaw. Make sure it bonds on plastic. We wait till it dries. Now we're gonna use some toothpaste and a Q-tip. We're gonna use the toothpaste in the areas you want the paint to be chipped or had some battle damage. I mostly put all the toothpaste in all the borders, like so. I shout out to Thomas from March Props. I learned this technique from him. Now with any kind of spray, I'm using magenta, berry. You can use any color, red, black or blue. I'm gonna give 2 coats on top of all the chrome color we painted before. I make sure to cover the blade. When it dries, we take a cloth and we dampen on a little bit of water. And we're gonna take all the toothpaste out, like so. It should look like this. Now, we clear the blade, take off the paper, and we're gonna give weathering. This is just like we're gonna use some shoe polish. In this case, it's brown. We're gonna tap it with a sponge, or kitchen sponge. We're gonna tap it all over the place so that it looks like spilled oil and gook and stuff like that. We also gonna take some black paint and dilute it in a little bit of water. We're gonna do the same thing. Here, I'm using the shoe polish directly from the canister. Here, I'm using the black paint with water. Make sure you get in all the cracks and lines of the chainsaw. Then, with a damp cloth, we're gonna wipe it out. We do the same to the blade. Now I'm gonna use some clear Elmer's glue and I put a couple of drops of food coloring, red food coloring. And with the kitchen sponge, I'm gonna tap it all around the blade and some of it in the body of the chainsaw, like so. When it dries, it should look chunky and fresh, moist. When it dries, you can give it a coat of Mod Podge. I would like to take this spot to give a shout out to Denise and David. Thanks a lot for the Mod Podge. Now, the test videos and the beauty shots.
And remember, if you liked the video, please consider to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and good night.